welcome back to the Sub-Zero Wolf & Co. showroom in Glendale Heights. I'm Chef Paul. I thought it'd be a great opportunity to show how you can make a lot of pizzas really quickly so you can use them for events and parties. So here is my pizza crust. It's already been proofed. It is ready to roll. I have it coated with the flour here. What I'm gonna do is simply use my fingers to create almost like a reverse donut, but I'm slowly using my fingertips to stretch the dough out. I'm going very, very slow so I don't get any holes into my crust. There's almost no wrong way, but as long as you kind of stick to that round shape and get it as thin as you can, I'm leaving a little bit of a lip on the outside, you should be good to go. To help it not puff up, I'm gonna use a dough docker. What this simply does, it creates a lot of tiny little holes in my dough. It's gonna help it from not puffing up. So my oven is preheated to 550 degrees. This is my M series oven. I'm using a mode called Stone mode. It is specifically designed for the Wolf Bake Stone. This Stone mode, what's a little bit different, it uses my broiler, my hidden heating element underneath, as well as my dual convection fans in the back to recreate that wood fire dome element. This is only gonna take about 3 minutes. I'm looking just to cook the pizza crust and to get just a little bit of color. I can take all these crusts and freeze them, and when I want pizza really quick, ready to go. With the Bake Stone, it's not just for pizzas, but I am using it for pizzas today. But that's one of the accessories. The Stone mode in the oven helps create that wood fire environment. So look out for those recipes, and thanks for joining me.